Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to cancel your Lucidchart subscription. So first up, go ahead and log into lucid.app. Now once you're in here, you're going to want to go to your profile right here at the top right. Just click on it. Now go ahead over to account settings. All right, just click on it. Now wait for another tab to open. Now once you're in here, you're going to want to go to the left panel and look for plans and billing. Okay, just click on it. Now wait for it to load. Now once it loads, you have your plan in this section. So what we're going to do, so just go ahead and go to the plan itself. All right. Now go ahead and click on the three dots besides that. Click on it and you should be able to see cancel this subscription or cancel this trial. Okay. Now go ahead and click on it. Now wait for it to load. Now in here, you're just going to want to click on decline offer. Okay. Just click on decline. Now in here we have the cancel trial button at the bottom right. Okay. Just click on it. And once done, it says here you canceled your Lucidchart subscription. And after that, you're good to go. All right. And you should receive this exact email, which says your subscription has expired. All right. It says here, we hate to see you go. Your subscription for Lucidchart is now expired. To resubscribe or view your payment history, log into your account. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.